As you know, a lot of people have been using glargine insulin in diabetic cats with really good results, especially with the initial therapy of virgin diabetic cats. What we see in virgin diabetic cats, in conjunction with a high protein, low carbohydrate diet, is about an 80% chance that we can convert the cat to a non-insulin dependent state. And that usually happens over the period of about 1 to 3 months. What we do to monitor these cats is once we start them on the glargine, is we have them come back in 7 days to do a 4-hour post-insulin blood sugar. If their blood glucose is normal at 4 hours, we'll start to gradually reduce the dose of the insulin. For instance, we'll go from 4 units of glargine to 3 units of glargine, have the cats come back again in a week and do another spot check. The goal is that every time we see the cat, if their blood sugars are normal, we'll continue to reduce the dose of insulin on a weekly basis. And what you're going to see is one of two things are going to happen. Either the cat will revert to a non-diabetic state and you can withdraw the insulin, or the glucoses will start to rise back up as we lower the insulin dose and the cat will require continued treatment with glargine.